I already knew from the very beginning na pobre me.
Nganong kaingon ka, sir?
In my class, I always say na 3 levels of pobre. Na pobre, pobre, o pobre. Nami sa pobre.
Anak yun.
Nami sa
Base na part.
grabe. Like, it was really survival mode. We could not eat. Lisod mo good mag-learn pag gutom.
Naay panahon gyud nga muskwela kang
Na-
walay kaon.
Ay, Diyos ko. Mali ako munchkin. Dapat mahurot dyan siya. So, man ako, oy, naka-feel ko no, nga di kay ka-bright. Nado scholarship na Manila-based na call center. Pag-abot dito, ay siya, yung the last question was, ano siya, why would I give you the scholarship?
So sa
siya-
imong gitubag ato, sir.
Ay, dramatic effect. I told him, sir, I don't think I need to answer your question. I was so skinny because I could not eat. Kanang gutom siya, lisod siya. Pero I never quit. My sister is so young. In my mind, I would never want her to experience the life I've had. Maragana ba, my family is so poor. And I said, Lord, I remember this. Lord, sige na ba?
Maayong gabi mga kapaglaom and welcome back sa ato ang programa My Story, My Song, and I am so excited again nga ma-share sa inyo ang bag-o na po nga story sa ato nga bag-o nga episode tonight. You know what mga kapaglaom, I'm so excited gyud. Kagabi pa ko gusto makistoryan niya and gusto na ko siya makita again kay nakauban ako ni siya sa ako ang panahon nga nag-review ko sa Falcoland Twin Review Center. Kauban nato karon nga kagabion, karon nga episode ato nga Sir Froilan Jake Obial. Hello, Sir Froy.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi to
Yes.
kapaglaom.
Yes, kapaglaom mong tawag.
Hello
Pero
sa
pwede
mga
ra kayo.
kapaglaom. Dari ba ang camera?
Yes,
Hello
yes,
sa
sir.
mga kapaglaom.
Hello, sir. Thank you kayo, good.
Thank you. This is an opportunity. I feel like opportunities like this don't come often. So salamat po nga na-invite ko.
Dako kami pasalamat, sir. Kay nakita na mo ang imuhang influence gyud. Grabe nga influence sa social media sa mga especially sa mga teachers nga labi na future teachers and sa atong mga teachers nga inyohang niagi gyud sa inyo hapud nga review center. Talking about the review center, sir. Unsa gani ang inyong review center asa ka karon nag-work, sir?
So I am a senior lecturer sa Falculan Twins Review Center. So it's a review center that is specializing on education. So basically, what we do is we teach kanto mga aspiring na let takers for LEPT we call it licensure examination for professional teachers. So among ginabuhat is nag-help me to prepare them sa pag-take nila. So I've been in the review center for almost 8 years or 9 years na. Pero as a teacher, I've been a teacher for I think mga na ako sa 17 years.
Wow.
Tama
wow.
ako. More or less.
More or less.
For 15 to 16 years.
Yes, dugay-dugay na gid ang imong experience, sir. And talking about sa imuhang pag-viral, gusto na ko ni siya ma-mention, sir, kay grabe ang energy gyud. Mo nang actually isa na siya sa akong nakulbaan nga lang istorya ko ni Sir Froy, percent taas kay ang energy, dili na ko mahatag yung energy.
Gusto niyo mo to energy. Joke lang.
Ganahan ko makita to mga
Kanta-kanta.
Yes, tapos with all the dance, pero sorry guys kay mahal ang
tugtog.
iyang TF.
Okay.
Sorry. Wala tayo ka na dako nga space to dance kay grabe ang energy sa ato ang guest tonight. Sir, katong time nga nag-viral unsay imong imong gibate ato nga ingkalit ba to? Giunsa nimo pagkahibalo nganong nainato siya?
So actually, ever since, part na yun sa, I think, culture sa review center nga magpa-talent.
Oh,
If
yeah.
mabagsak, for example, or dili makabot sa threshold na score, magpa-talent. Tapos, ako, I'm a lover of music ever since. So, and I think because my background is kind of night theater a little bit. So, I feel like it's nice to, I don't I cannot control myself whenever I see a good, when you see talent in front of you, it's brilliant, kumbaga. And then, I've been doing it for quite some time already. So, I think in 2023, na-notice ata ko, pero locally sa Cebu. And then, I think na TV na to siya nationally. Pero, katunga time, overjoyed na ko ato because whenever I would do my thing, it's not for the intention of I want to be popular or I want to go viral because I feel like it's not really sincere if that's how you think. So, I remember I did a sample review. So sample review is what we do when we go to schools para, wala lang, para iingan nyo na mo sila to review with us. And so what happened was, nako sa Cebu, it's UCLM in Cebu. So nagpa-talent me, and then ang mic gi-share, tas na maayo mo kanta si Lizelle. So she sang, it was Akin Ka Na Lang. It was really well done. How'd kayo siya mo kanta? And then, I didn't even take video of it. It was my students took a video. And then si Kia Piaya, she took a video. And then, she said, after the class, it was a Sunday, she said na, sir, nag-video ba ako sa imo ha? Tapos, okay lang ba? Kaya without my knowledge, kaya nag-post sa TikTok.
Okay.
Tapos, ko okay lang because before that, I also had a viral video. So I felt na it's not really, it wasn't bastos. It was just, and then she said na, after a few minutes, it had 14,000 views. So I felt na, okay. And then I didn't know nga, I think a few hours after, it got 1 million views. And then I think it became so viral when Bretman Rock, I think, reposted.
Yeah.
It even went to Hollywood and networks came to talk to me. So, ang point ato kay, it was never really the intention na gusto dyo ko musikat or gusto dyo ko...
Nag-enjoy lang yun ka ato.
Okay. Di ba, in doing what you do, for example, the intention always is to make, especially in our case, because what we do is not really teaching. It's more of engaging your audience in an 8-hour class. It's hard to do that. So, mas ang intention is, paano na ko makuha ilang attention? And to know that people appreciated it really, not only locally, pero so if you would ask me, did I expect it? Did I plan to do it? Wala yun siya.
Wala gyud.
And I felt like it was also, I believe it opened doors for people to know nga they could actually do teaching in a more engaging way. Not saying that it's bad what they did before, pero it's also a platform for people to understand na
Pwede
the audiences, the Gen Z people now, the younger generations, Gen Alpha, they want a more engaging class. So I think it opened, it gave an idea to other people na pwede din yan po siya. So I'm just happy to be able to contribute.
Yes. And dara, Sir Froy, mauna ang marag starting nga daghan og nakaila gyud nimo. Daghang nakaila yan. And mo lang na ilang nailhan pa. That's why tonight,
Ay, wow.
ganahan ko nga kung na-excite ko lang, gusto na ko mailhan si Sir Froy, and I believe gusto po kanila mas mailhan pa gyud. Who was Sir Froy before? Asa nagpuyo si Sir Froy? Asa ka nagdako? Unsa yung life status sa inyong family before Sir Froy?
Para may bala na, roll VTR. Wala ba? Joke lang. So, I came from very humblest beginnings. Like, I'm originally from Santo Tomas, Davao del Norte. Bubungon ang barangay namo. It's a tiny town, and I grew up there. I already knew from the very beginning na pobre me. So, by pobre, I'm not being, people say pobre me, pero just to make it empathetic, pobre jud me.
Unsa nga, ngano kaingon ka, sir?
In my class, I always say na 3 levels of pobre. Na pobre, o pobre. Nami sa pobre.
Anak yun.
Sa
Base na part.
grabe. Like, it was really survival mode. We could not eat. Ang level. But of course, my parents really tried. Pero they had me at 19. So they were young parents. It was very hard. Gutom, walay sense of security kay among balay amakan kanang amakan pag magkadugay mangguna siya, tahirig mangguna. So tahirig among balay, walay portahan, ana nga level. So wala mi kuryente, by the way, wala mi kuryente. Nga amo kabalo ka ng kuryente na ginasaksak sa silingan.
Kanang
kay para extend lang mo connect. So I think I was in high school up to college nga lang para lang among And funny kay my sister would always say the story nga ma-happy siya pag mag-brown out kay ma-feel man niya nga ngit-ngit parehas me.
Equal.
So equal footing me. Tapos pag mubalik ng suga, di ba pag brown out, people would like be thrilled na like mubalik ang suga, wala may difference sa mua kay wala po
Yes,
nagwarente. So
yes.
na reach jud ako tong point nga marag lisod jud kayo ang kinabuhi murag ana. Pero grateful man pud ko ato
So
experience.
kung mag-ulan, sir,
Grabe, tulo.
kay di ba ama ka
Grabe,
ka
emotional,
nagbungo.
Oo.
di ba?
Nya among scene pud grabe jud ka busod pud siya. As in kanang extreme jud siya nakalisod. Kanang katry man kanang butangan diri noog, kanang noog.
Oo,
Kanang
noog.
mga tela-tela diri, tas
para-
diri arinola.
Para masalod,
Oo.
tapos anauna po.
Extreme jud siya. Tapos katunga time I thought it was normal kanang of course you would wala may TV man may kurente.
Okay.
Pero kabalo ko na there's a bigger world out there kaya
Okay.
lang medyo wala kayo may.
Sa imong pag-eskwela, sir, for siyempre mo na imong gidakan nga balay, imong family. Pag-eskwela nimo unsa man, kumusta man ang imong pag-eskwela? Naapektuhan ba imong pag-eskwela sa inyong kapobrehon?
Sobra. Like, grabe siya. I always say this na mas lami jud mag-eskwela kung nakay kwarta. Kaya di ba, it's easier. Access is there. Lisod mo gud mag-learn pag gutom.
Nay panahon gyud nga muskwela ka
Na-
walay kaon.
Ay, Diyos ko. Literal. Na ako'y anecdote na. So, I remember, namin akong teacher pag grade 3. Pag-udto, ako mama kay manghurnal. Kada mangguna god.
Oo,
na-
manguan ka ng swelduhan
Oo,
para
para
ano.
mangguna. Tapos, manghurnal na siya. Tapos, I remember, ang kanyang ginapabaon sa kuha kay kada ganing kanon, ibutang niya sa Tupperware. Di ko siya Tupperware nga tinuod, pero Tupperware ko na
Sige,
to.
go.
Unya, ayang butangan og kape. Muna siya kung sudan. Mura siya ka ng ano.
Murag gisabaw lang.
nga kanon.
Okay.
Unya, anak, pila na ka days, everyday mo matok kong lunch. Tapos na mong teacher, siya abing, mama, siya abing, birthday niya ugma, by the way. siya abing, kanabi ang kape, makabugo ba yan na? Tapos na ako mama, ay so far top 1 man akong anak. Diba? Arrogante pa rin pamilya. Joke lang. So, ang point dito kay murag, even people were like scared of my nutrition. I was so skinny because I could not eat. Kanang, gutom siya, lisod siya. Pero I never quit. Kanang, wala siya nakakutay in terms of kanang drive, grit, ba? Wala, nagyapon. Pero kung ang literal nga kagutom, kalisod, lisod jud siya. Lisod nga magtuon pag walay sugat.
Oo, lipong. Magsikag ba sa murag na lipong na-mention nimo sa high school na you apply for scholarship?
Okay, this is a beautiful story. So, pag elementary, proud ko ani. Proud, kamera mo lang.
Yes.
Proud ko ani. Valedictorian ko pag elementary. Ano ba yan?
Pakpaki.
Pero 34 amang good me. Wow ha. 34 lang me kay naamang good ko sa bukid.
Yeah.
So, I remember I delivered a valedictory speech. It was not, of course, mine. Kanang hatag na to. Memorize na ko siya. Tapos haud-haud ko ato. And then the superintendent talked after. She said, kisa to nagstorya, I feel like you will become a speaker soon. Murag yan ang i-manifest. So ako po, I was very young. I was only 11, I think. Ano murag, wala po kasabot ato nga anecdote. Kay bata pa man ko. And then, days after my papa lost his lisensya. Kaya ako pa manggod, nag-deliver ka ng pan sa Bukid Manggod, wala manggoy bakery. Wala yung bakery. So, ang mga tindahan, nala sila yung muralag ka ng basta mara siya isabit ng mga pan. Kabalo ka na. Na ipang sabit
Nakita
ng
ko na.
balot-balot.
Balot-balot.
Oo. So ginasabit siya. My papa would deliver those bags of bread. Pero
yeah.
the motor wasn't ours. Kay kuan man siya kanang
Hiram or
di ko sure na, pero marag, dili mo, sa bakery to, sa mga
Okay.
kong relative. But the condition was, you could not do that unless you have a license. And 2 days after, he lost his license. Mura siya pang MMK. Nakadaganing, it had to happen when I needed it the most. Kay high school na ko. So everybody, and our barangay, by the way, most people do not really pursue high school. During our time at least. So, it was not the thing then. Karon man good, everybody has to go to school. Then it was not. So, sorry. I remember, katunga time, it was election period. So, pag election, I was really excited to go to school and study those things. And then I remember, nag-kampanya, election. So, katunga time, my mama and I would always go to this campaign, not because we were we didn't care.
sa support wala.
Pero ang plot twist, nana siya snacks.
Kana.
So
Ang
baluto
the
na
best.
muna siya kay pang panihapon na mo, pang
Tama.
paniudto na mo.
Praktikalan ba?
Oo, ana. So magkaunig dito. And then it came a point na duha ka kampanya sabay. So my mom went to the bigger venue, I went to the smaller venue. Like it was like a purok lang jud of some sort. Gamay ra jud siya kayo. And then we were there. akong mama nagdugay man so katong politiko kay best in kuan gyud siya na kanang kanina ang paglaom typical politiko.
Para
Para madaog gyud siya.
winning.
Tapos I remember in one of his speeches he said na ang plano gyud nako na i-pursue ang edukasyon. Kay mao gyud ni ang pangandoy nako etc. So oh my God, it was like
Moto'y natatak na
oh,
yun,
kanang
mga.
edukasyon. Kato nga time, I already told my papa na I wanted to go, pero he said, willing ko, pero asa karon murag pause ata. At syempre, and that time, dili ba yung nga nakadali mag-eskwela. So ako, oh my God, kung saan man ako ni. And then, he opened the door to, siya. Na yung mga questions, ano siya.
Ana siya.
So wala dyan ako tanan, of course.
Mm.
I was only 11, I was so tiny. So I raised my hand, and then I said, anak ko siya, Sir, tinuod dyan mo pandoy sir nga kanang gusto dyan ka mag-scholar. And then he said, gusto dyan ako na. So anak ko na. Kung tinuod sir, scholar daw ko.
Dagi,
Lagi,
challenge.
ako siya in front of, this is a real story ha. Ay siya nga, ay, dili man pwede doon, kay pang college man niya ako And I was so thin, so he knew. Anak ko, pero di ba sir, asa mo di magsugod ang college na sa high school man.
Mao.
And then he laughed, and then
Yes.
everybody was like, kinsa man nga bata? And then he said, come to me tomorrow to my office. I went there. I was there like 6:37 a.m. He arrived at 5 p.m.
Ooh.
I only had G's pesos. I was starving. Unya, ato nga time, it was like, for me, I knew na mo-graduate ko. Because if I was willing to wait 8 hours for an uncertain thing, because of course I wasn't certain if he would really come or he would really give me that scholarship.
Yes.
But he did. And I felt like it was the way for me to believe na if someone would believe in you,
Yes.
and you just if it's already given to you, so your job is to make sure na you maximize
Yes.
it,
Wow.
capitalize on what is given to you. Parang ganun.
Wow, kanindot no nga it was an inspiring story nga dili gid mo quit. Kay naay kanang naay giandam ang unahan ba nga kundi mo quit ka dili na nimo maabtan to, di ba? So while listening sa imo sir ba no, I'm reminded nga the Lord really is kanang orchestrating things nga dili na to siya matagna nga hala inato 11 kagamay nga bata na naay mga ginagawa sa baba nga inato, and then here comes a politician nga murag ambot lang kung unsay iyahang tuyo ato, but when you stand up nahitabo ang iyahang gistorya kay usually ba pag politics murag sama tinud-on nimo,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
it happened na tinuod siya because someone stand for kato nga sitwasyon no mga kapaglaom. Ato makita dira nga wala gyud nagkulang ang Ginoo kapag laom. Dili lang gyud ta mo give up kay there is something gina-prepare gyud sa ato. So before we proceed sa next nga kanang manindot gyud nga eksperyensya ni Sir Froy, we will listen to this song nga nagauluhan Di Ka Nagkulang. I hope nga ma-bless ka sa kanta, Sir Froy. Kay I think first time ni mo siya madunggan. So I hope nga ma-bless pod ka kapag laom. Ikaw lang ang pag-asa ko, tanging ikaw ang buhay ko, Jesus. Kahit ako'y nangangamba, basta't ikaw ang kasama, panatag na. Ikaw lang ang sasambahin, paligid man ay magdilim, Jesus. Kahit may suliranin man, lagi kang aawitan, ikaw lamang. Kahit kailan, di ka nagkulang, biyaya mo sa sasambahin, paligid man ay magdilim. Jesus, kahit may suliranin man, lagi kang aawitan, ikaw lamang. Kahit kailan di ka nagkulang, biyaya mo sa akin laging laan. Ang pag-ibig mo sa akin walang hanggan. Inibig mo ako noon pa man. Panginoon, dakila kang tapat sa dalangin ko. Ako'y inibig mo kahit ako ay ganito. Walang katapusan ang pagmamahal mo. Walang pinipili ang puso mo. Kahit kailan di ka nagkulang, biyaya mo sa akin laging laan. Ang pag-ibig mo sa akin walang hanggan. Inibig mo ako noon pa man. Inibig mo ako noon pa Amen for that song. Na? Ang gugma sa Ginoo ba no? Ngay wala'y pili. Dili ka pwede nga ay 11 pa ka. Dili pwede. It's for everyone. Kung unsa imong edad, unsa imong status, it is for you. Ayahang gugma no. Nadunggan na to kaganina ang life ni Sir Froy sa high school. High school pa lang to, grabe naka-challenging, anak na siya oh. How about sa imong life sa college, sir? Ning angat-angat na ba or kamusta ang life sa college?
You know, nagay ko ginangon sa una, it came a point na ningon ko, why is it so hard for me to get things? Kay ako mo na feel nga, murag, high school pa lang, as you said, murag, struggle na kayo sa high school pa lang, and then pag college, at first, I thought, nga dili ko maka-college.
Kay?
Imagine if it was hard for me to go to high school, how much more sa college.
Oh, yeah. Mm-hmm.
So, I remember, fourth year ka, I was in the first section. I was really academically performing, really well performing. And I'm from Santo Tomas. It's a big school in Davao del Norte. So, I was part of the top students, pero dili jud ko mapasok sa top 5 ever. Because, pag na projects late, kay wala may kwarta. Tapos, pag na mga, dapat mag-practice, wala ko. I remember na mo to'y film festival, nga dapat ako ang director. Ako itong idea. But I could not be there during rehearsals or during shoot. Kung may pamasahe. Kada bang even 50 pesos or 20 pesos, dili siya dali. Ana nga level. So, pag abot ako, di ba pag kanang college mo kay, mag-talk-talk mo na, asa ka mag-college? Asa ka. So, people would say, diri ko anana. And then, I remember, ako wala ko kabalo. But I was sure nga akong kwaon jud is sa arts or English or something like that because I really wanted to be a journalist or a TV host. Tanong ko yung mga ana sa una. Kanang set na ko dito.
Vision ni mo.
Nanajud ko marag, if others were not sure as to which direction they would go through or tread, ako kabalo jud ko. But the resources were not there. Muna ang challenge.
Munang bisan wala po kakabalo asa mo kumuskwela, ana.
I remember, this is so, I tama jud siguro to nga, everything happens for a reason because UM, my alma mater, came to our school and the one who introduced UM was Ma'am Kath. who
Ma'am Kath
eventually
nga, mauna siya
my
karon
boss
ng-
now.
Yes.
So she was there, she talked to me about, to us, to the class, na mo na among gina-offers mo ng scholarship, etc. Ana-ana. How mo dyan kayo siya mo storya? So,
Na-convince.
ano dyan ko na, how doon yun, top notch siya, marag, kumbaga, I saw my, diri ko maskwela. Marag na ba, na-inspired dyan ko.
Yeah.
And I remember, after that talk, I actually came to her. Kung ma'am, namay ka ng mass comm, kay, mo man akong course,
Yeah.
mag-mass comm ko ma'am. Ano siya? Marag wala mi ana. She didn't know education siya.
Yeah.
So, okay. So, sure na ka to. Sure na ka to, mo to kong direction. Pero wala may funds. So I talked to my papa. I said, pa, mag-ano ko, gusto ko mag-college. Ano ang papa? Marag, lisod siya. Ano ang papa? So, and then, looking back, my papa before said na, kaya man daw unta, kaya daw. Pero, akong dili masabtan, nga naman, nga hindi siya musugot. So, katuning nako, na siya, manlok daw siya nga, muhatag siya sa kuwag, gamay na opportunity, nga di mapanindigan. My papa thought, sakit sa part na ako, kung makasulod ko, unya, eventually, di ko
Dili lagi
makapadayon.
hapon. Oh.
So, marabag, nasugdan na nimo eh. Gihungit na, yung pa diyong gibawi, maragana ba? But I was never the type who would quit. So I said, dili ko. Ang nahitabo, naigiingon sa mong school. Giingon kay, na daw scholarship na Manila-based na call center. Tapos, all students na top 10 pwede mag-apply. Pero, entire Philippines. So, anak ko, ay, di na ako makapasok. Wala na ako. Tapos, ang plot twist, wala sila exam. Ihatag nimo tanang certificates from kanang extracurricular grades lang. Grabe ko ka-active sa una sa eskwela. Tanang event, ako, bida-bida man ko. So, tanang event, ako mag-interan. Pati gani nutrition, into ko. Walay char, nag-into ko.
Yes.
Nag-cheer dance ko sa nutrition. Di ko to. Ay, baluin mo. Sorry.
Okay, sir.
sorry. So, ang ending, dito na. So,
Ipasa
go na.
tanan.
Pasa tanan. Unya, anak ko to, wala, kaya ka ni. Tapos akong papa, na siya pagka little bit of, skeptic. Anong ingana man na, marag na siya. Pero I felt like it was his defense mechanism of me not feeling a little bit of hope na mawala ra. At my mama, supportive kaya siya. So, gikulit na mo tanan. Nako, Jud. Ang ending, nakuban, gipa LBC. Gipa fast nila.
Yes.
Ako, may
Para
kwarta.
lang yun madaghan ang ano.
Ang chance, maabot dito sa
Yes.
Manila. Ako wala man. Napod Jud siya pang MMK sa imong mga viewers. So, ang nahitabo, nanako dito.
Yes.
Gipatimbang nako sa kanang post office. Kulangan ko og 100 pesos.
Apil.
51 raman ang kwarta. 151 man to. Core memory ko ni. So ang nahitabo, ano ka na? Giduol na ko ang katong tindero. Wala dyan nga char. Ano ko nga, marag, kuya, pwede kaya kunin mo pera mo ng 100. Pag musikat ko dito kakalimtan. Lasan ako, no? Kaya ito ka manifesting. He gave me that 100. I placed it there. It was the deadline, the day of the deadline. And then, out of the 400 people, 6 of us submitted, only 200 made the first cut. 200. I was part of the 200. I was not really even sure nga ma-join. Di ko kay all of the grades in the entire Philippines, girank. So I was part of the top 200. And after that, they would go to the different houses. And then I remember when they went to our house, ulan, kabalo ka si Lord bitaw Jod. Feeling ako, no, how po Jod si Lord mag-set sa mood? Lord, may po ni si Lord Jod.
Mutahi.
Lord, mutahi siya sa storyline.
Yeah.
Kay, pag abot dito, nag-ulan. Unya, among lugar ba ya? Baba. So, hitak siya. So, di ba na dramatic effect?
Yes,
Na kanang marag, kanang marag, kanang pubri ko kayo, kanang marag, anak ka naman ba? Tapos kayo siya, tapos, I remember si sir, katong nag-interview. Siya, saan bang bahay ninyo? Taga Luzon. Saan bang bahay ninyo? Pakalayo naman. Siya, ay, sir, nandun pa po sa gilid. May daan ba dito? Ano man, kanang, like, steep, Jod. Siya, may daan ba dito? Opo. Siya, ay, parang wala na, parang dead end na. Pag-abot, plot twist, wala pa dyan mitulay.
Nan.
So, ambak pa ka.
Patay ka
Ang
dyan.
level dyan gani sa emotion. Tapos, ang amakan kayo, kami kurente, diba? So, pagabiin na. So, di ba, ang set sa mood, pang movie siya. Akong mama dyan, perfect dyan kayo ni. Pagkabalo niya, nga, nato, nahiram siya bangko sa musilingan. So, nakita ba niya kung mama nagdala pag bangko? Diba? Dramatic effect. Yeah, my papa was still doing his thing as a kargador of saging. So, it was my sister, nga, pangit yung outfit. Sorry. Ako mapod kay gutay-gutay ang outfit niya. Wala ko'y plansya. May kurente. Tapos, he asked me so many questions. Like, one question, number 2 question. Basta I remember. The most vital question there was, why would you give... Kasi ang mahitabo, they would like, from all of those interviewees,
Yeah.
they would vouch ilang scout. So ilang scout dito sa Manila na kani ako ang scholar. Ilang ilabi po dito. So I remember, pag-abot dito, the last question was, siya, why would I give you the scholarship?
So sa imong gitubag ato sir.
Dramatic effect. I told him, sir, I don't think I need to answer your question. Just look around. Look. Pero that was from a place of sincerity na, look at our balay, sir. Look at my mom. Look at my manghod. In this barangay, no one goes to college. And that's the truth. It's not like not the thing that people go to college because we are in abject poverty. So if you just give me that hope, that chance, I believe it will spark that desire from me going to other people na it's possible. Someone has to trailblaze, kumbaga. And give me that chance. I promise I will never give up on my dreams because what I have is just my dream. Diba sometimes it's just that hope ba, that grit. Now whatever will happen, I will never quit because my sister is so young. In my mind, I would never want her to experience the life I've had. Maragana ba, my family is so poor. Can we not do something to make this better? And I said, Lord, I remember this. Lord, sige na ba? Grabe po, oy. Grabe, pati pag high school, pati pag college, outag po siguro ni, uy, nga naman lagi itong uban, biya mo mga hindi mo itong mga haud gani kayo niya. Siyempre, bata pa ko, mas bright mong gani ko, ato anong sila man nag-giving, why is it so easy for them? Ano sa ko, di naman, Lord ba? And then, ang plot twist, okay na chika.
Yeah, go.
Okay. So, ang plot twist, wala man may cellphone. So, ang ending, nagkabuang ang barangay kay Puy-Puy manahangga.
Puy-Puy.
Nakita kay Puy-Puy. Asa ba si Puy-Puy? Asa si Puy-Puy? And then people came to our house. And then, ang plot twist, kay di ba mo sa, I really fought for it from not being part of the top 5. I graduated first honorable mention. So if naka sa top 3, nakay libre. And ay mga eskwelahan sa mong municipality nga mo hatag og scholarship. Pero I knew I was going to UM eh. So I was already set. Dito ko mag-eskwela. Dito ko mag-graduate eh. So I remember, huwag na mga tao, asa ba si Puy-Puy? Ang ending, I got in. So from 400 to 200 to top 15.
Wow.
In the entire Philippines. That was my first time to ride on a plane. I went to Makati. I went to a hotel. And I remember we even, may minibar sa hotel. Di ba na? May minibar sa hotel. Ipangkaon na mami na maglibre.
Nakabayad.
Nga, logic simple na. Nga, ano ibutang man na dira kung dili ipakaon?
Oo.
Di ba? Bayaran man di ay. So nakabayad. Ano to siguro to mga taga-scholarship. Ignorante ha po lang nila. Pero that was my first time in the big city. Marag, oh my God, looking back, I'm kind of misty-eyed right now. Kaya marag, grabe na again. And kabalo ba ka ng feeling na I had nothing but hope. I'm not very religious, but I would say I had nothing but the Lord.
Itong time, sir, gusto na ko siya balikan. Pag kabalo nimo sa result, what was your first gibati ato, impression? Unsa imong reaction ato?
I had an interview, manggod, dito sa Manila pa, with the heads. And then I said, sir, murag, this or nothing. So give it to me. Ano ko, Lord? Nana ko diri ending na ni. Ayun na, siguro hatag give na ni mo ni. Kabalo ko atong hatag to sa kwa. My faith in the Lord was strong. I knew it would be given to me.
Wow.
And mas ning saka akong desire. Nga, di jud na ni. Nasunod na ko ba? Enter naman ka ni. Go na to ni. Pero lisod. Pag college na ko, lisod, di ba na enough ang scholarship?
Okay, di ba? Okay na pa man na yung mga gastuhon. Lahi pag
private
na.
ang UM, ha? Private ang UM. I know it's not as expensive as other schools, perhaps.
Pero naagya po'y gastuhon.
Mid siya. So, medyo lisod-lisod jud siya.
Giun sa niyo pag-survive?
Tanan, gibuhat na ko tanan. Kanina, sa mga estudyante nga matanaw, ani. Tanan, ako jud tanan. Nakatry kong kabalukan, buhat jud ako ni. Di jud ko proud ani kayo. Nag-choreographer kong cheer dance. Kabalo mo ko masabi po, di mo jud ko dancer. Mga mamshi. Ang akong gipang cheer dance. Akong choreography kay Bam Bambi Dampil Dim. Asa di bakit Bam Bambi Dam Bam.
Kamot-kamot lang.
Dili ba namo ko yung mga sayo-sayo at pili jud to. Ang among shoot, among practice kadlawon. So alas 2 sa kadlaw niya ako sa
kay bakante ka ana nga time.
Dili kay sa hotel sila nagtrabaho.
Okay.
So kadlawon lang po sila free. Niya akong feeling ato. Hala, kablaon. Ya ako sa 8 late ko peramente. Shout out kay Ma'am Limpot, akong Filipino teacher. 8 kumabot niya. Groggy jud kay ko kanang marag.
Ano ba? Syempre.
Sana siya, "Hoy, Froilan, ano nangyayari sa'yo?" Ano? Ko, "Ma'am, unsa ko man ako ni Ma'am nga choreographer bang ko pildi bang pud me." Sorry, pildi me. Pero proud kay sila kay wala mi na out of 4, third me. Di ba?
At least.
Tapos
wala na
mamali akong munchkin. Mamali akong munchkin. Ang plot twist, mamagos ko. kaya naman ko'y klase, di ba sa UM, kung taga-UM ka, among oras kay 8 to 12. So, kailangan nga na pa ko yung mga organization. Nabot na ko. Mali ako munchkin. Dapat mahurot dyan siya. So, mana ko, oy, naka-feel ko no, nga di kay ka-bright. So, ano ko, kabalo ba kaon si pa-bright ani? Kani nga munchkin, pampa-bright ni siya. Palita siya. So, pamalinya.
Grabe
Huwag
nga.
ko, kani, my God, gusto ba mapasar sa mga exam karon. Kani nga munchkin, akong sekreto. Hala, siya. Hala, ibaligyan ko siya kay ang akong allowance. Imagine for in the entire week, I only had 100 pesos. How would you make 100 pesos work for a week? It would not work. So si Juvie and Ping Ping, my friends from high school, also studied in UM. They said, ano na lang, your allowance, we will make it as our capital because it will be times 2 man sa munchkin.
Yes.
So that's the ginansya will be my food for the next day. So every day I had to sell because if not, I could not be able to eat. Eat niya, ana nga level. So it was
Wow.
really hard. Pero ang pinaka-amazing, Jud, no? I never lost that grit.
Padayon gyud.
Wala dyan ko nakaisip pa ito nga, tama na. Kaya di ba to others, maka-feel sila na marag, dili gini para sa kuha. I had all the reasons to quit, but because there was only one hope of that, I knew, I asked this from the Lord. Di ba I said na,
Yes.
oh Lord, grabe na jud kayo mong ginapagpahirap sa kuha. Baka mo nga pang main character jud nga storyline, di ba? Pero, sobra po din na main character. Uy, marami naman ka episode sa MMK, di mo pang one episode lang. Kay grabe naman jud kayo jud.
Yes.
Anak ko, ihatag naman ni sa kuha. So kung dili pa dyan ako ni mapanindigan, ako na ni. It's my fault now. And ang pinakasala to, I remember, wala dyan ko yung makuha. Kaya kung manawag ka sa imong pamilya, wala man sila. So in my mind, I was thinking, kung manawag ko sa ila ha, instead na matabangan ko, mas stress sila. Not because they didn't want to help, but because even if they wanted to, they had nothing.
Sir, sa mga inana nga situation, for sure, daghan ng makarelate, ana, no, nga, na yung mga times nga grabe nilang hinilakay ana nga mga sitwasyon. Napo yung mga times nga inana gid po sa imo ha.
Na,
Go.
wailing, Jud. I remember si Sharon, Jud, to. It was one summer. And I never said this story. It was one summer. Nag-summer ko kaya sa mong curriculum, pero wala man nilabot sa scholarship. Wala ko ikaon, Jud. Kasi wala Jud ko ikaon niya. Wala man ko naga-summer. So wala Jud ko yung maligaan ng munchkin. Gikup-kup ko nila. Wala yung reason. Dito na ako nakakaon. Ang level. So marag, na-realize then, kung ikaw daya mo give up, pero your intentions are clear and the Lord is with you, I don't know, He would just send you, di ba? The Lord will provide. He did provide.
People,
Send opportunities. I even didn't know how it happened. Imagine na, why would, like ako mga friends, pag college si Jen, si Sayan, to name a few, si Ate Donna, nga katong nag-ulan sa Matina-Aplaya, na ako sa tulay, na ano pa sa point, Jud. Nakanang kung taga-Davao ka ng Matina-Aplaya, na ako sa Matina-Aplaya. Kunya ana siya sabi, siya, Proilan, sa balay na mo tulog. Kigipalayas mo sa boarding house.
Oh.
Ano ka pang bayad? Siya adto sa kanang, sa Matina, sa Center Point. Baba din na bake shop. Si Ate Donna pod, kulangan po siya information, daghan na kay bake shop. Pito man siya ka-bake shop. Asa mo na bake shop? Dire yung wala niya akong sabi ito kay 3310. Wala pa may mga GPS ko.
Yes.
Asa naman na siya? I remember I was walking there. Nakanmakadasaw ng mga tao there. Tapos ano ko? Dito ako na. Saan man ako niya? Naman ito yung babae na film niya nga marag. Exam to pagkaugma pag yun. Ano siya? Dong, kung muhigda kay muhan eh. Nya ako to tayo muhigda dyan ko diri. Kanang nato ano pero sin mapot ko sa nana ko kayo ko alas 12 na, pa 1 na.
So nahigda gid ka sir.
As in murag check pang movie so nana ko na murag pahigda dyan ko. Nabot sa Donna siya. Hoy, nausa ba ka ni ay ko asa ba ka bakery, ana ba ka bakery pito man ni ka bakery diri. So kato, nabot na ko sa nga level pero and these people never question or never ask for something. Never. Even up until now, it was never like, ako yung tama nga na. They just knew that I needed help.
Wow.
They saw,
walay in return nga ginahangyo.
they just saw the grit. Sometimes, my God, I think it will just emanate na, kaning nga tao, gusto dyan siya ning mo succeed, bitaw. So, ito, ano ko, now or never, good. So, ako, I'm so, magaling, right now, when I see people na nag-struggle, I understand where they are coming from and sometimes you want to quit. Pero, if you just have the right intention and you ask the Lord, sometimes, my God, even if you're the best or you have all of these things, there are things you cannot control. Sometimes you really just have to give it to the Lord. Namarag, kapoy na ko, nadyo yan ang point, walang kaon-kaon, payat na kay ko. Ano ko, Lord, dili na ako kaya. Marag, tama na, wala na ko. Wala na, di na makaya sa ko intellect, di na makaya sa ko ang, wala na yung racket eh. Wala na, so, and then it happened. So,
Sir, every time you surrender, no, kana ganing, kung mag-try to try, marag kapuyo na lang ka, and to the point nga mag-surrender ka, kay marag dira pag yun mas ma-open ang, kabantay ka ana, ang kanang, kung moingon na ka sa time, Lord, wala ako kabaluan sa himuon, dira pa ang time nga ma-reveal kung unsa gyud di ay dapat ang mahitabo.
Feeling
Diba?
mo good na ako, not to be,
Yeah.
biblical about it, pero feeling mo good na ako, mo dyan ang point, that human as we are not in control of everything.
Mhm.
The Lord is unfathomable. We cannot
Mhm.
understand Him.
Mhm.
And sometimes we want to play like gods, na I can do everything.
Ah.
Marag ano ba, like, kaya ko ni, mayo man ko, na kato, ganyan. Marag ano,
Ah.
but sometimes you just have to be reminded na, no, you still have to ask for something better.
Mm-mm.
And sometimes, what's given for you is beyond what you can imagine.
Mhm.
It just needs space. It just needs humility to ask for something.
Mhm.
Diba, marag, you have to have that.
Mm.
Para jud mo push ka, because sometimes the direction that you want is not the best for you.
Yes.
So there's something greater, someone greater out there
Mm-mm.
to guide you to the
Yes. Talking about that, sir, kay sige mention nimo nga bangon lang gyud many times nga ayon nimo nga daghag rason nga mo give up ka pero ni padayon gyud ka. Ang song nga Bangon Adlaw, this is the first time I nadunggan ni nga kanta. Nigawas siya sa
Vismin Pop.
Yes, Vismin Pop nga composed by local artist. Unsay naa sa kanta, sir, nga ganahan kay ka? Unsa siguro linya sa kanta nga na-inspire kay ka or part sa song ganahan kay ka?
Actually, ako dyan ang nag-push ani na kanta.
Yeah.
This is my song. Kay, I think when one of my students said about the song, Ferdinand Aragon, I think is the composer. He's a Cebuano artist. Nato'y part ito na siya, asa kaha ko dalon ning akong mga pangandoy. Kay sometimes mong good when you dream, you don't really know. And when it's real, kadang ang pangandoy ko it's so big, you feel it eh. You can touch it already, pero dili ka sure. Tapos, naan siya sa chorus na, bangon adlaw buntag na, andam na ko ganihara. Bangon adlaw na usab sa pag-abot ng pangandoy ko. Kunya, nato'y part sa bridge na, taliwala sa tanang mga kalisod, kubtan mga pangandoy. Marag feeling mo, nanada siya yung part sa ending na marag, bangon adlaw, buntag na, andam na ko ganihara. So marag, I've always been ready.
Yeah.
Just give me the chance to wake up and do it.
And tonight, kanadunggan na mo siya mga kapaglaom, we would like to share this song to you. I hope that you would like this song and we will be blessed sa mensahe sa kanta.
Asa kahapon dalhon ning akong mga pangandoy. Asa kahapon luparon ning mga pako kong gikapoy. Bisan di ko maangkon karon naaraang ug mapuhon bangon adlaw buntag na andam na ko ganihara o bagong adlaw na usab sa pagdugyan sa mga ampun ko. Uwa na ko'y mahimo apan iyang pagkatumano ay klaro, hugtan akong pagtuo. Bangon adlaw buntag naan, damna ko ganihara. O bagong adlaw na usab sa pagtugyan sa mga ampo ko. Bangon adlaw na, bangon adlaw na, bangon adlaw na.
Thank you so much sa manindot nga kanta nga for sure daghan ang na-inspire sa kanta. First time nimo for sure nadunggan ni. And please, if you like the song, pwede gid ninyo i-share ang ato nga video. If you like this video, you can also comment down sa kung unsa inyong thoughts with regards sa ato nga topic and sa experiences nga imong nadunggan. Wala pa ta nahuman actually mga kapaglaom. We will hear kung unsa nahitabo sa career path na pud ni sir. Na nastoryahan nato kaganina nga karon nag-teach ka sa Falkland Twin Review Center. Pero before na sir, unsa to imong work gyud ana?
So, right after I graduate,
Yes.
pag college, na ako'y trabaho, naging editor ko sa Image World,
Mhm.
part-time, pero dili gyud siya, kadali lang jud siya kayo. So after I graduated from college, I had like, nag-tutor ko kadali.
Mhm.
Kadali lang jud siya kayo because my school already asked me to teach.
Okay.
So I had a tutorial job for like a month, kapin, but I got absorbed as a professor in UM.
Mm.
So my first job, na officially, was UM. So I became a professor in my alma mater. I taught there English, arts, etc. And then after I think a month or two, a year and a half, they asked me to go to external relations and international affairs. So I became international relations officer. So I pioneered how to build an international affairs office. I became part of the planning. I really did it all sa planning, and I also was part of the marketing sa graduate school. So UM really gave me a lot of opportunities to learn, to be honed. I really salute my bosses, si Sir Ray, si Sir Guhao. So they really made me believe in myself. They gave me kanaganing opportunities na at first you thought, kapuya ni eh.
Oo.
But then in the long run, you would realize, I had to go through those so that your skills will be honed. Kailangan
Yes.
mong good jud mo i-test. Di mo good pwedeng a concept lang eh. So kailangan jud ka ibutang dito. You know? And then, Motoshop, I did that. And then eventually, I got to work sa FTRC.
Pero do you believe sir ako sa imuha lang sa ako ang thought God was preparing you for that karon. I don't know if you will agree, Ana.
Wow, emotional kita ko reaction.
Ah.
I believe, Jude, kabalo ka. I really believe nga it was really the Lord. Kaya nga naman, ano ang story na po. So nagkaon lang jud ko sa TAPS. Frustrated ko sa akong trabaho. Within an event, I felt na I wasn't able to do it well. So, nato ko sa TAPS, narito ang ako ang boss, karon si Ma'am Kath, nagkaon lang siya. Ako na kay mugtok ko. And then she said siya, huy, no sa man ka. And I thought she was Ma'am Terry. Ma'am Terry was my teacher in college. So I thought it was Ma'am Terry I was talking to. Siya si Kath ni. But I knew, siya ba itong nag-introduce sa UM, di ba?
Yes.
Looking back, kala ma'am, siya, anong sa mga ko, ma'am, I'm so tired sa akong trabaho. I don't feel like I'm paid well. I have a lot of And then she said, what if, kaon ka na mas marketing? That was also the time when FTRC was starting out. We did not have a logo yet. Wala pa. FTRC is shaping teachers, transforming lives. I did that. I made that because of Ma'am Carth and Ma'am Terry also.
Yes.
So I felt like, this is exciting. This is fun. I could really create my art. Pero katuta na ginabuhat na ako. That was something that I learned from my previous job. I did marketing. I did that in graduate school. I am doing that in FTRC now. I became a teacher. All of those things I did. Tapos in hindsight, na-realize na ko, bantog di ay na ko siya na-experience kay para day ni
Magamit.
ani. And now, when people say na, grabe ka sa stage, grabe mong energy as a public speaker. Alangan grabe, Joy, because I've been through a lot. Before I've come at this point in my life, I did so many things. So it was really my experience that honed me to be the person I am now. So I felt nga, it was not an accident. It had to happen because it would have led me different. Kung wala na ko to experience, it had to happen for me to arrive at this point in my life.
Yes. Sir, katong imong gi-share pud ka ganina. Mao ba na isa sa reason pod nganong dedicated kay ka? Ako personally makaingon di ko nga, you are so dedicated gud sa imuhang committed sa imuhang work nga gihatag karon, responsibility. Nganong sir, nganong inaana ka dedicated?
Uy, salamat kayo na compliment. I really like the word. I am really committed to my work because my bio on social media, follow me, Froilan Jacobial, and I am Froilan on TikTok.
Yeah.
Pasok na rin. Is love and it will love you back.
Wow.
I really believe that if you love something, it's not about asking for it. You just give your best. I am so blessed nga naabot ko nga point sa akong life. Dili tarang tao matagalan nga chance. I ask the Lord for this. And nga nung di man na muna ihatag imong best. And I promise I would never sit on my laurels. Just because you're good does not mean you're always good. And I'm a believer that you're just as good as your last performance. And you have to respect your audience all the time. Every audience member is a different type of audience. They will see you when you talk in front. The fact that people are listening to you, the fact that people would give their time, but they paid for that. Not everybody's willing to listen to you for the entire time, na fully.
Yes.
That is a responsibility. And that is an opportunity as well. So I felt na you should really grab it because you only live once. And to other people, it's a form of, doing a lot of crazy stuff. In my case, I don't want to live a life of regrets. Na I could have done this better. So I would always give it my all because if it won't work, at least I knew I gave my best. So that was my best. And if it did not really work, that's a learning opportunity. So it's not, I don't even think of it as a commit. I just think of it as basic requisite eh. Dili siya ka ng effort kayo because I'm a believer that excellence is not a one-time thing.
Yeah.
Excellence is a lifestyle. So if you commit to it, na I would always want to give my best all the time. People would be inspired na if he could do that from my humble beginnings, I could also do that as well. So it just needed that push. So I felt that I have that responsibility.
Siguro po sir kay niagi ka grabe gid pod nga grabe nga experiences and I believe I would like to believe nga dako ang epekto sa imuhang experience before kung unsa ang imuhang ginahimo karon, no? And would you agree man sa ako sir nga the Lord was with you gid sa journey nimo? Like dili man nimo siya makita but like para sa ako kung sa lang like he's holding your hands dali come here. I was preparing something nga wala nimo nakita. Makaingon ba ka na sir?
The entire time. My lola, she's still alive. She's in her 80s, I believe. She's a pastora. And then she said, when someone prays for you, and if the intention is right, you will never be left astray. I was told of that when I was a child. And I never believed in that. Pero kung isipon mo, anong maabot man ako? I'm not as rich and I don't aspire to be that rich or as famous. I am so blessed to be doing the things I love to do.
Wow.
To be paid to make people laugh, listen, to learn, to go to different places for free. Because you are there, they will listen to you. Nga nung mga matagaan ko ng opportunity, wala ka, ahawd mangguga. I don't believe in that. Because I believe daghan kayong hawod. You are not special. All of us are. We have our own set of skills. But to be given this kind of platform, gamay siya. I mean, wala ka nga, super viral. I don't believe in that.
Yeah.
I believe, Magod, na every time we speak in front and people listen to you, that's a chance for you to inspire others. So I felt like it had to happen because the Lord wanted me to be on that path. So kung ako lang, dugay ako naligwak. Uy, Diyos ko, Lord. Kapila nagukuning ingon na din ako. Kapila ngano gong wakay kaon. And di ba, kung wala ako nagpadayon, pwede naman ako maingon nga, sorry, gutom ko. Valid man ang reason, di ba? Or, sorry, wala yung opportunity eh. Pero, I felt good na someone was really pushing me. Nga, kaya lagi na mo. And I think it was the Lord. It was not my parents even. And it was not just me. Kita man ta. We get exhausted. Di ba? We get depressed. We get lost. But someone was really leading me to this path. And I think it's beyond thing that I could understand.
Yes, no. Thank you so much for sharing your story, Sir Froy, and sa atong mga kapaglaom, daghan gyud sila na minaw, and I believe would be inspired sa imong nga story. And to end, I'm so sad to end this. Lami pa kay istorya, no? But
Tama ba?
ang time,
Sorry.
yeah, I hope so. Kay looking forward for your own studio soon.
Yes.
Diba?
Pares ako ang frame. Guys, naman ko yung podcast. It's
Yes.
called Yaka. So it's called Yaka. Oh, ako dyan yung endorse.
Go.
Kaya magyaka naman good me. So I also do this pero in a different
Yeah.
perspective. So can I just say this before we end? I know we're
Go.
about to end now. I'm so grateful that we have shows like this na people like me. This is the first time that I'm like sharing my story in this kind of capacity. I feel good na you don't really plan to inspire, but sometimes your journey itself inspires.
Amen.
And I think this kind of platform allows that. You don't know how many people you are reaching and the impact it has on people.
Yes.
It's beyond the things we can imagine. So,
Yeah.
mas grateful ko ani actually
Praise
na opportunity. You're saying na thankful ka. Ako mas grateful ko for
Praise
inviting me here and for your beautiful studio. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, good Sir Froy. And more stories to come soon nga mga wala pa nato ang madunggan nga mga stories sa mga tawo nga we thought nga naara sa kilid, wala nato nadunggan nilang mga stories, but their stories would be for sure ma-inspire sa inyo. Soon we will hear more stories, but tonight we will end with a wonderful song nga nagaingon Lakaw Uban Niya, no? Ang ato lang gyud wala ta kabalo sa giingon ni Sir Froy, wala ta kabalo sa unahan, but with a little hope nga atong gikuptan, ginagunitan, ang ato lang gidra lakaw lang uban niya, because kung uban nato siya mga kapaglaom na ay assurance sa unahan, naagi assurance sa unahan, lakaw lang gyud uban niya. I hope that you will be blessed with this wonderful song.
Atong isulti sa tao nga siya, tua sa langit layo apan, nahibalo sa kasing-kasing, nagkinahanglan sa atong paglakaw.
Padayon tala
Salamat kaayo mga kapaglaom nga ikaw nagpadayon sa pagtan-aw hangtod karon nga oras nga imo kami giubanan. Mga kapaglaom, atong Sir Froy is very busy gid siya pero salamat gid kay gitagaan mi nimo time.
Thank
Sir Froy,
you.
pwede nimo i-greet ang imong mga supporters, pasalamati ang imong gusto pasalamatan and ang imong mga social media accounts, Sir Froy.
All right. Sige. I would like to grab this opportunity to thank first all of my work, Falkulan Twins Review Center, to my bosses for allowing me to have this spot. Sa akong mga nakatanaw sa akong mga videos, ug naga-comment, ug naga-engage. Salamat kayo. I don't know what you have seen and I'm so thankful sa akong mga estudyante sa una nga never yun ko undangan og suporta. Thank you so much you guys and to my family for being part of my journey. I'm so grateful. And please follow me on my socials. Nako sa TikTok, I'm Froilan. Nako sa Facebook, Froilan Jacob Yal. Nako sa Instagram, pero wala makatoy pulo, sa ito i-follow. Nako sa YouTube. Nako sa YouTube, it's called Yaka. So it's a
Yaka,
podcast.
yeah.
It's also on Spotify. But I also want to take this opportunity to tell to people that if you are about to quit, there's no way of doing that if you just put yourself in the right path and ask for the right guidance.
Amen. Thank you so much. We're looking forward sa imong own nga studio soon. Pray, daghan mo mag-pray for that, sir.
Thank you.
I'm sure daghan po ma-inspire sa imong podcast soon. Mga kapaglaom, salamat gyud sa inyo nga pagpadayon sa pagsuporta sa ato ang mga programa and especially sa ato ang My Story, My Song. Sa next episode, uban ni sa gihapon kami mga kapaglaom, diri lang sa My Story, My Song.